Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a little bit of a different video. I finally ordered my very first own pair of Rothys. So I'm excited to unbox it on camera for you guys today and give you some first impressions, let you know what I think about it and if I think it's worth it at all. And I also found a pretty amazing dupe as well, in case you're curious. So you want to check out my new Rothys and my new dupe, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be newer, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I really love making these videos on fashion, beauty, and mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience as well. So that kind of thing sounds all interesting to you. Definitely keep on watching. Check out my other videos linked down below. And please also consider subscribing. That'll really help me out as well. Okay, so I finally decided to do it. I've been hearing about Rothys for quite some time now. I have a lot of coworkers and friends who have a ton of Rothys and love them. As you all know as well, Rothys also is really great in the resellers market as well. So I definitely have seen Rothys. I've resold Rothys, checked them out before, but just haven't purchased one new for myself yet. So I finally decided to do it. I really love the style that I picked out, so I'm excited to open it on camera for you guys today and let you know my first impressions of it. I will do a little bit of a try on too, so you can kind of see how they look like on. And at the same time that I found these Rothys, I was also shopping online for other things as well and came across a really great dupe, I think, for Rothys. It's about 1/3 of the price, so I'm excited to kind of share with you my thoughts on that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the actual Rothys. And I did just get this in the mail. I have not opened it. And this is how it comes. I just wanted to kind of show you how it comes in the mail in this box. It just comes in this shoe box. So for those of you who aren't aware, Rothys is a sustainable brand of shoes. And now they also make accessories and sneakers, different other kinds of shoes as well. But they originally were known for their flats, I believe. And what's really great about it is they use recycled materials, including recycled water bottles, for instance, to make the fabric or fiber that these shoes are made of. And also what's really cool about them is that they're machine washable. So I think that's a trend recently, of course, is these machine washable types of sustainable shoes. So I decided to finally check these out, and this particular style I just really fell in love with. So it comes with this little blue tab, and you're just supposed to open it up like this. And here is the box, and it says proudly sustainable since day one. Here's my packing slip. So here's what the presentation looks like. So really clean lines, really pretty, and they're just thrown in here. So I decided to pick up the Mary Jane style of their flat. Here's what it looks like. I'm just going to take these out of the box here. So this is how they come. I'm just taking out the little inserts here to show you a little better. But this is the Mary Jane style of Rothys flats. I mean, how cute are these? So when I saw these online, I said, all right, that's it. That's the pair I have to try. Just so gorgeous. So here is what the logo looks like. So if you're a reseller as well, like I am, this is what you want to look for when you're sourcing out there. These shoes definitely retain a pretty high resale value as well. That's what it looks like. And this particular style, as you can see, is the pointy toe. It's made out of this washable fabric upper, again made out of recycled materials. It has some really nice padding on the inside, as you can see here. And the underside is a little slick. There's a protective coating which I have to remove, but we'll have to see how stable the bottom is. But that's what it looks like. And this is, again, the Mary Jane style, where it has the little ties here, which is really what got me. And this is, let's see, in a size 7.5 I decided to pick. So I will do a little bit of a try-on for you here in a few minutes. You can see for yourselves what you think about sizing, and I'll let you know what I think as well once I try them out. But at least according to a lot of the reviews online, at least for the pointed toe version of their flats, people tend to seem to like to size up half a size. So I'm normally size 7. I decided to go with a 7.5. So we'll see if that was a good decision or not. But just looking at it, looks like it probably would fit me just fine. But super cute, adorable, love the company and what they stand for. They're based out of San Francisco originally as well, which is really cool, close to where I live. So really excited to try my first pair of Rothys out. And the fact that you can machine wash them is super cool as well. I think you're just supposed to remove the inserts and then you just throw everything in the wash and then let them air dry, I believe. But that's just also a really nice perk. So I'm excited to give these a try, and I will let you know what I think about them. Okay, so I have them on now. Again, these are the Rothys in a size 7.5, the Mary Jane style in the color Sapphire. And I really love this color just because I love the two-tone way of this. So I really like the blush pink tie, which is really cute. And against that navy also, I think just pops, and it's a very neutral type of bow. So I am in love with the style alone, and the comfort is really good. So the knit upper makes it have a lot of give and flexibility. So again, I did mention that I did size up a half a size because of the pointed toe flats and Rothys, as I think a lot of people suggest. And I think that's a good suggestion. I actually am happy with this size. I think it fits well and it's comfortable. It does not slip off my foot, especially this version with the tie. But I can even guess that the regular pointed toe flats, I probably would go up to 7.5 as well. I can definitely see what people are saying, where this half a size difference probably does make a little bit of a difference. But yeah, I don't know what you guys think, but I just love how these look and they feel really comfortable. I think that there's a good amount of support on the insole. The main thing though is there is not a whole lot of arch support, kind of like teaks as well, which I've mentioned before. There isn't a lot of arch support. So oftentimes if I'm going to be walking the entire day, I do want a little bit of arch support. So I will try these out and see what I think, but I definitely am pretty sure that these will be great for the workplace, and I'm really excited to try these out. Okay, so I really love that pair of Rothys, as I just mentioned, and you kind of check them out for yourself as well. But at the same time I just purchased those, I'd also come across these shoes that pretty much were dupes for Rothys. So I was really excited to check these out. These are about 1/3 of the cost as well, which is really cool. And this is actually from the brand Clarks, or Cloud Steppers line of Clarks. So here's what this box came in, and this is also supposed to be, as you can see, this box is green. They're into kind of sustainable fashion as well now. And these are super similar to Rothys. So let's check out what these look like. So these just came packaged like this, and I just pull these out here. So when I first came across these, when I was just poking around online looking at different things, I thought these were Rothys actually, and I had to do a double take. So when I actually saw these, I found these on QVC, our home shopping network in the US, if you're not watching this from the US. And as you all probably know in my other videos, I do like shopping on QVC occasionally. I think they have some pretty unique items you can get for decent deals as well. And I found these. So this is from the brand Clarks, and I'm sure you've probably heard of Clarks before. So I believe Clarks is really known for a lot of their comfort style types of footwear. But recently, at least, I think they've been making a lot more trendy styles just like this one. So I definitely have some Clarks. I think they're very comfortable. They're really good for the workplace too, when I'm on my feet for, you know, over 12 hours a day. I think these types of shoes that look professional but also very comfortable are something that I definitely love to use. So I love Clarks in general. A lot of their styles, really, I must admit, aren't really for me, but this one was. It looked exactly like the Rothys loafer in my opinion. So let me show you what the insole looks like. It's a Cloud Steppers. I believe it's called the Carly Dream is the style. But that's what the insole looks like. These also have removable insoles here, and these are machine washable. So they're essentially like Rothys, I'll say. And the style of this loafer is really cute, I think. I love this black and white print. And this has this padded heel cup here, which I don't believe the Rothys, at least on my Rothys, have on that version. So as you can see, they look pretty similar. So here's the Rothys, and the fabric upper looks pretty similar. I think the Cloud Stepper one maybe is a little bit thinner, but overall they're pretty similar. So here's what these look like up close. I'm not sure you can tell, but the actual knit of the fabrics are pretty close and they feel pretty similar. So I'm excited to try this one on next, and I'll let you know what I think about them. But again, these dupes were about 1/3 of the price of what the Rothys equivalent would be. So if I like these, this is a really good alternative for Rothys. They'll be super comfortable. I can wear them all day at work, and you can also throw them in the washer. So that's just amazing. So I will try this on right now, and let's see what we think. Okay guys, so I just slipped on my great Rothys dupe. It's these Clarks Cloud Steppers in the style Carly Dream in this really cute black and white print. So as you can see, they're a traditional loafer, and again, I'm in love with these too. I will say, I think these have a little bit more of insole support than the Rothys do. So who knows, I may end up liking these better. I really like this loafer style, and they make the exact loafer style in Rothys as well, in case you're curious. So if you want to check those out in Rothy's, they definitely have this style available too. But I think this is a great alternative. These are about 1/3 of the price as Rothy's would be. And I think they look pretty similar, and they feel very comfortable. In fact, I feel as if maybe there's even a little bit more of a comfort features built into these shoes compared to the Rothy's, at least the Rothy's that I have. And there's a really nice stripe down the back, as you can see here, so really cute. And I can tell these are going to be very easy to wear all day. I can probably walk around with them all day, no problem. And they are machine washable. They're made out of the very similar knit upper as well, just like Rothy's are. So definitely consider checking these out in case you're curious for a really great dupe for Rothy's. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this really quick video and try it with me to unbox my new Rothy's, and also that I could share with you a really cool dupe. So again, really great shoes. I love both of these. I'm super happy about them. Again, the Rothy's I did size up a half a size in this pointed toe version, and the Clarks I went true to size. And I would stick to these sizing ranges for sure for future purchases. I think they fit perfectly. I'm really happy with both of the fits. And just so you know, I will link both of these shoes down below in case you want to check them out, of course. The Rothy's, I will also include my link for $20 off your first purchase. So definitely consider using that link if you want to purchase your first pair of Rothy's. You can save a little bit of money. I will also link down below where I got these dupes, these Clarks Cloud Steppers as well, in case you want to check them out too. So I really hope you enjoyed this little video. If you love Rothy's, like I think a lot of people do, definitely comment down below. Let me know what you love about them, what styles you love best. Because if I love these, I may consider splurging on others as well. I can already tell I'm probably going to love these. So I'm excited to let you know in future videos what I think once I've been able to wear them for quite some time. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching another video. I hope you're staying safe and healthy with your family, and I will see you again in my next video. Take care. Bye.